girl with confidence. When I got we roll like hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got who can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Unice hair. Honestly, I really like this hairstyle. I feel like it's definitely giving grown, it's giving elegant, it's giving very put together. Okay, so this wig is from Unice hair, like I said, and this is their 5x5 undetectable HD lace closure wig. It's a 20-inch and it's 180 density. This is a everything wig, so the wig comes pre-plucked, it comes pre-bleached, and it comes with the lace pre-cut as well. Also comes pre-styled, so you can literally install this wig straight out of the box, which is exactly what I've done today. So if you guys want to see how I installed and styled this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. This is a 5x5 closure wig, so it is 100% glueless. You do not need to glue this wig down, but I am going to go in with my bedhead spray, you know, just to melt the lace in as much as possible. This is also their HD lace, and you guys can see how seamless this looks. I've not applied any hair mousse, I've not applied anything. This is just straight out of the box. The only thing I've done is just to tint the lace to help it match my skin tone. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig.
When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and that season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot comb some of the hair down this way so that that can cover the lace. So that way you can't see where the lace starts or where it ends. So now I'm just going to brush out the curls. Honestly, this wig is very beginner friendly, such an easy wig to work with. It comes pre-plucked, it comes pre-bleached, and it comes pre-styled as well. So you can literally install this wig straight out of the box. You can obviously decide to go for a side part. And the hair is also really soft as well. But today I'm thinking maybe I'm just going to cut some layers into the hair.
Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again.
So guys, this is what the wig looks like right now. I'm thinking to recurl the front of the wig and then add some layers. You can leave it like this if you want to. This looks really good. I feel like this is such a good everyday wig. It's very easy to work with. You just pop it on, you don't have to glue it down, like I said. Very easy to install, very beginner friendly, and the hair itself is extremely soft. So guys, I'm gonna curl both sides away from my face just so it can kind of drop the way I want it to drop.
And all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum. When I go with confidence. When I got we roll like hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. when a girl who can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know I want when you turn me around. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, figure it's in the season. Shine bright as that season, girl. You know you are a jam 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, jam.
Guys, I think I need to curl this one coming inwards and not away from my face. So
Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We not like me. We not shine bright like royalty. We not stick.
I'm gonna add some hairspray at the top here.
People think guilty and why? So kinda your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it.
Oh guys, this wig is so gorgeous and I like the fact that it's such an easy wig to work with. You guys let me know what you think. I'm loving the jet black. I feel like this is definitely a perfect everyday going out type of wig, and I love the length as well. It's definitely giving grown, it's giving elegant. Like I said, the hair is extremely soft. So yeah, this is a 180 density wig and it's a 20-inch. This is definitely the perfect length if you're trying to give grown, if you're trying to give elegant, if you're trying to give sexy, if you're trying to give I've got my shit together. Okay, this is the length you want to go for. I really like how soft, how fluffy, how bouncy the hair is. So yeah, like I said, this wig is from Unice hair. The hair quality is so good. Like, this feels really soft, and it definitely holds curls, because you guys can see. But if you're ever worried about your curls lasting the whole day, literally just go in with some hairspray and you're good to go. The one I would recommend is this one. And I'm also really impressed with the lace that comes with this wig. This is their 5x5 HD lace. It's so seamless, it's undetectable, and it literally just melts and blends into your skin. So yeah, I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below. So make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!